Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize resolve proxy media settings for smooth timeline playback step by step clearly. Open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Navigate to the project you want to work on. Click on the File menu at the top left corner of the screen. Select Project Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Project Settings window, look for the Master Settings tab. Scroll down to find the Proxy Media Settings section. Check the option that says Use Proxy Media. Select the proxy file format you prefer from the available options. Click on the Save button to apply the changes. Next, go to the Media workspace by clicking on the Media tab at the bottom of the interface. Import your media files if you haven't done so already. Select the media clips in the bin that you wish to link to Proxy Media. Right-click on the selected clips and choose Generate Proxy Media. In the pop-up window, confirm your preferred settings for the proxy files. Click on Generate to start the proxy creation process. Wait for the process to finish, which may take some time depending on the file size. Once the proxies are generated, return to the Edit workspace by clicking the Edit tab. In the timeline, make sure your media clips are displayed correctly. Click on Playback in the menu bar at the top. Ensure that Use Proxy Media if available is selected. Playback the timeline to verify smooth performance. If playback is still choppy, check your system performance and consider adjusting playback settings. Adjusting these settings can help achieve optimal playback quality. You've successfully authorized the proxy media settings for smoother timeline playback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.